Here's how to fix screen flickering on your iPhone. Now, let's first from your iPhone go into the settings. From here, we're going to scroll down and tap on General, and then scroll to the very bottom. You can see Shutdown. Now, you'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone and restarting it fixes a lot of issues, including issues with your screen. So just turn off your phone, restart it, see if that fixes it. If it doesn't, let's scroll up and tap on Software Update. And just check to see if there's a software update. You can see iOS 18.2.1 is the current release. If there is an update, a lot of times it fixes bugs or glitches, so just update to the latest operating system. Now, after we've done that, another culprit is, let's go very beginning here, is to tap on Accessibility. And then you can see Display and Text Size. So tap on that. And at the very bottom is Auto Brightness. Now, I found a lot of times auto brightness can cause issues with your screen, including the flickering. So make sure to toggle this off and see if that helps the flickering on your phone. If none of this helps, you can always open up a web browser here, and you can just type in Apple Support Chat. And you can see at the very top, you can hit Contact Apple. And I can scroll down and tap iPhone. And let's tap on Repairs and Physical Damage. And you can see here, Screen or Display Quality. Tap on that. Now, you are going to have to hit Continue and probably enter in or log into your Apple ID account here. It says sign in, but essentially you can go through the process of either chatting with somebody through Apple to see what the issue is, or you can also see you can make a reservation with an Apple store itself to have them go in, plug it in, run some diagnostics, see if there's a physical issue with the screen on your iPhone, or maybe if there's a software issue, they can help fix it. If it is a hardware issue, they can always go through the process of replacing that screen for you. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.